Hello, mic test. I think that's it. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Mic test. Hello. Okay. Hey, hello guys. It's been a while. It's been a while. I don't know. I haven't, streamed for a while. Uh, kind of busy taking care of my kids, but I develop I I develop a new strategy that will make you money. It's a legit one. It will make you money during New York time. I backtested this strategy. Actually, it's still incomplete. I've been backtesting it since October. So it's about 2 months already. Yeah, almost 2 months already. I started backtesting this strategy on October 10, and so far I was managed to backtested the strategy during New York session, only New York session. So I was working busy, but still have a time to spend 1 to 2 hours on replay trading just to backtest this strategy. But this strategy, in order for you to use this effectively, you must learn the basic of market structure, price action, and I had developed some market analysis unique to this strategy, and I'll be sharing this to you guys. But I hope I can. But I'm putting it on a one course, so it'll be like a module, 1 to 20. I think I was managed to put the strategy on a 21 videos. I'm trying to concise it as much as possible, like make it on a one video, but it's not possible. In order for you to fully grasp and understand the strategy, not only the strategy, but I will give you some skills. I will teach you some skills to analyze market, and it's so easy, guys. You don't need to like spend time to understand it. It's the application is so easy. Once you see my videos, you can apply it on your own. Maybe if you want to modify it, you can modify it. But I think you don't need to do that because uh, I tried to make it as perfect as possible. So far, the win rate right now on a New York session, it's like it's around 66% actually. So the only reason that I can achieve as higher percentage as much as possible is maybe because of me being emotional when I'm using the strategy. But we'll try to stick to the rules and plan soon, and I will show it to you sooner or later. But this strategy is unlike the one that I was sharing before. And the moving averages, like there's three. Uh, no, I haven't add a contract, so still the same contract that I put earlier. So yeah, so I made a website where you can access the course, and yeah, you can learn it from there. But basically, this strategy right now it's only works on New York session. So actually I'm using it right now. This is the strategy that I used it earlier, and I have this. You see this? I'll show it to you uh, on the gold because I earned earlier like 1,200. 1,200. Yeah, this is the gold. 5 minutes. So I used it here earlier. Uh, let's see. I hope I keep my trade, but look at that. I'm not expecting this move because it's Asia. But yeah, I was here earlier, and this was my entry on this gold using that strategy. The reason why I'm only using this strategy during New York session is because of the volatility, and the strategy works best during volatile market, and it will give there's yeah, and then I think that's the only that's the reason why we're trading, right? We're hunting for a volatile market. So number one rules on this strategy is don't use it on other session, but this is an exception to the one I'm doing right now, because this is I'm just testing it. So I passed this Express account 2 days ago just for this strategy. I will use this account to do live all the time. I'll use this Express, and I'm I'm negative 221 actually, and because I traded last Friday. I was testing it. I'm trying to test it during afternoon session of New York, but I think it's not a good session for the strategy. So this is my entry earlier, uh, and I hit my TP here. It was 1,200. I was negative 1,600 actually from last Friday, and I was able to, take that back, and now I'm negative 221. Okay, so this was my entry, and I'm my stop loss was here. So as you can see, it's a tight. Actually, this was my entry. It's a tight stop loss, and with this, yeah, I hope I keep my trade. But I was not expecting this move. Uh, let's see the NQ. So the strategy, I'm focusing. This strategy is focused on four market actually. Number one is the Nasdaq, ES, gold, and crude oil. So far, I only test test this strategy on tested this strategy on Nasdaq, ES, gold. I'm not yet, I didn't start it yet doing it on a crude oil. I run few trades on crude oil, and it's working well. It's working well actually. Uh, okay, I have an execution if you wanna back just replay this video, and you will see. But okay, I'll show it to you on the gold, and I will like uh, let's replay this video. So I was emotion. I don't know. I'm not. No, maybe I was emotional, but because this is the first time that I'm testing this strategy on Asia. On my previous strategy, the moving averages, I don't trade before 9:30. But since I did not test this strategy yet, I have an entry earlier before 9:30, 7:13. I hit my stop loss. So that's why I'm telling you that you need a basic understanding of market structure. I think it's better to test on Nasdaq. I think I hit my stop loss on Nasdaq. Oh, not yet. Is this the Nasdaq? Okay, future. Okay. Okay, so I was on a replay mode. Okay, so this is the market opens at 1800. So here, that's 1800, and then give at least 30 minutes before you open the chart and then analyze. So it was here, and this is where I open. Yeah, like that. I will remove everything. So this is like that. So this is the market earlier when I opened the market, and then I'll show you. So you need a basic understanding of market structure, and you will start your analysis on a 15 minutes time frame. From 15 minutes time frame, first thing you need to do is draw your premium and discount. So the premium and discount, take a look back past one day for that. So it was Friday 9 a.m. when 9:30 a.m. when the market was open, and then analyze. Just look at the market. Where is the price currently? If it is if it is on premium or discount. So right now I put my. So this first step is to help you to help your bias. Are you selling or are you buying? So this is a basic analysis. Uh, you sell if the market is high, if the price is high, and you buy if the price is cheap. So this is the premium discount. This is the equilibrium right now. Earlier the price was here. So okay, I think I'm going to buy. I'm sorry. I think I'm going to sell right now because during this in this market the price is premium. So I'm not looking to sell. That's the first step that for this strategy. Then after that, draw your supply and demand. It's really important. So on 15 minutes time frame, this is the first step of your analysis, which is analyzing where is your bias or what you want to do. You want to sell or you want to buy, something like that. Then draw your supply and demand. And if you know what is supply and demand, you're good to go. So supply, where is your supply right now? So your supply is here. This is your supply. Uh, Supply zone. That's your supply zone. Let's change the color to orange. So that's your supply zone. So this supply zone is recently, that this supply zone was actually 18. This is your supply zone because we're not including the previous days. That's the previous days. So this is your today's zone. It's just about to form. This is your supply zone. It's just about to form. I know this is Asia in there nothing much volatility and nothing much volume, but you can consider this a supply. And what is supply? Supply is when there was a there when there's a forming like a forming seller than the buyer, and there was a strong seller in this one, like so, yeah, supply. And then this is your previous demand here, like last demand. So you need also to consider where is the previous demand and why you need to mark that one just for your for your target, basically. uh, yeah, so that's your target, that's your demand zone, and that was from the previous last week. So right now the price is premium. I'm not looking to buy, although this is not always the right, not always the right the market. We don't we cannot like we are not 100% sure that the market will go down, although we are on the premium, but at least you have a confluence. Are you buying or selling? So now you've seen, and then you have an idea what you want to do. Go to 5 minutes time frame just to make it more cleaner. So in 5 minutes time frame, what you want to I want you to analyze the market. So first thing, what you're analyzing on the 5 minutes time frame is the liquidity. Where is the liquidity? The check if there was a liquidity grab previously, or there was a forming liquidity, or there is a unmitigated liquidity, so something like that. So on 5 minutes time frame, I can see from the last week, this candle here that was formed 12 on 12:45 p.m. is a liquidity. This one here is a liquidity grab or liquidity swift, meaning all of those stop loss there was taken by this 5 minutes candle, and this 5 minutes candle caused the market to go down a little bit, which created 5 minutes market structure shift. This one here. Uh, it's just a little bit markets, so something like that. So why you need to understand the liquidity? Liquidity is a strong indication that the market, if there is a grab on the liquidity, there's an indication, it will add confluence to your bias that, okay, market grab a liquidity here previously, so meaning I'm thinking maybe there's a sell out, most likely, and usually during every Sunday, whether you see a big move like Sunday Asia is where a big move during Asia session, whether you see downtrend or big trend at least 100 points sometimes. Only that only happens during Sunday. Okay, so so this strategy is just a scalping strategy. We're not expecting that the market will like hit this zone, but at least for an hour, you will know. I mean, for an hour, you will have like a bias. Now, uh, after you analyze your 5 minutes, just go to 1 minute time frame, and in a 1 minute time frame, this is where everything's placed. This is where your entry is. So it was here. So right now we're here, and then this indicator here will help your entry. And this is strategy, actually, this strategy revolves around this indicator. So this indicator will tell you, are you going to sell or are you going to buy? So right here, right now, this is where your price action analysis will play. You have a fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap, and then you see this line here. It's the price keep on rejecting this line. So by now, uh, uh, where is your target? You could target a psychological level for a scalp, like for example 950. So this 950. It's a good take profit. Uh, and by here, I know we don't I don't trade before 9:30 p.m. That's why earlier I traded here. But you see, and then I I got stopped there. I got stopped there earlier because I put my entry here, and then 7:30, before 7:30 I really don't see any good move or true move. But after 7:30, that is the best time to enter the market. So now, so this was my entry that gave me like at least $500 earlier. If you replay the market, you will see. You replay my YouTube videos and wait. So you're here. Now you see this consolidation and it's still respecting this fair value gap. So the only thing you need to do by here is to wait for the market to break this and create a new market shift. And now it's 7:30. So there. So this is my entry earlier. I enter on the, where is it? Yeah, this is where I enter. I sell. I put my stop loss there and then take. I think it was a market. It was a market. I manually exit the market here. So this was my entry earlier. I think I manually exit here. Here. Let me see. This is where I exit. I don't remember, but I think my entry was here, and I manually exit. Wrong. My entry was here, and I manually exit here. But in the gold, it's where the same analysis that applies in the gold, but a gold is a little bit different because it's a continuation setup. Although the price is on the premium, but where are we? We were here earlier. So although the price is still on, like it's still on it's near the equilibrium. No, this what time is this? Yeah. Although the price is already on the discount, but it's a continuation setup. So this is where I put my sell order at 9:30 there, and I hit this. I hit like 1,000, I think. Let's see. This is where I put. Yeah, I enter the market here on a 1 minute time frame. This is where I enter the market. Put my stop loss. I think it was here. Yeah, you can replay the, and then you will see. Yeah, yeah. This is where I hit my TP. It was 1,200 actually. Uh, yeah, here. Yep. Yeah, it was 1,200. And then I put an entry again on the NQ just to test the one setup that I developed. The grid is good, but I think I got stopped. Yeah, I got stopped. Yeah. Yep. So I will share to you the strategy in the course, and then you can back test it if you want. But try it on uh, Asia session. I'm done trading. I know I'm done trading. I'm not like I'm just a scalper. I know you want to go along, but I don't expect this market will go. So I just hit that 500 here. The only reason why I enter the market from here is just I want to test here. This is where I enter the market. I want to test the one my setup, and I was expecting that the market will go here, but that's a test. I'm just testing that. I'm not trading for good, like I'm not trading real time on this one. This is only my uh, strategy testing analysis account. So I'm only trade my I only scalp during Asia, uh, 7:30 to 7:30 to 9 p.m. and after that I'm done. I don't usually trade on Asia market because you cannot get anything from I don't know, but it's too slow. It's not for me. I'm just trying this strategy. You don't need to help me, baby. Okay, but I don't trade during. I'm trading for so long, man. Like I'm earning 20,000 per week, and this strategy is I just newly developed this strategy. I don't. I mean, I'm happy if you want to help me. Okay, I'll take that. What advice you can give me, man? That's interesting. Yeah, which one? I don't. It's I. I don't know. Uh, if you're trading for long, you understand that you cannot change strategy, or you cannot. If you're a pro trader, you will understand this. Uh, if you understand what I'm talking about, if you are a pro man, I mean, you know that you cannot tell somebody to change their strategy in like, hey, I am advising you and this follow this strategy, and then You expect them to follow your strategy. If you don't understand that, meaning you are not like you're not trading for long. So a strategy is just a strategy. All of the strategy that those traders develop works 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 on their own. Like your strategy works on your own trading style, right? But in order for you to be a good trader, it's not about the strategy, it's about the discipline. So if I will take your advice right now and follow your strategy or trading whatever what trading style you are, meaning I'm not disciplined enough. So I've been doing this for long that all of a sudden I will change my. But I will take your advice and let's see. I'll love to take your advice. Send me your videos and I will check your videos. And yeah, maybe I will like your style and I will back test it and then after that I will use it. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. But I love to take your advice. Uh, I love to take your advice. I just recently actually do live. I'm a nurse and then recently moved here in the US and I found but I've been trading for long, like forex trading, but I don't have enough like capital to trade on my own money when I was back in the Middle East and Philippines. And then when I arrived here in the US, I found out about the funded firm that is legal here in the US and you are backed by the government. They will not do anything. Like you're safe. Your money will be safe. So I use funded firm to leverage a capital, and it's where I have my capital. But I love your. I know. Just send me your videos. I am. I am what I'm showing you right now. Actually, I'm not fully sharing to you what is here because it's not yet complete. And I made a website where everybody can access that website and learn the strategy. But I'm not only teaching a strategy there because a strategy is nothing without a discipline and without proper methodology and proper trading mentality. It's not right. So trading is not about the strategy. There's a lot of strategy there, like the ICT concept you can learn, and uh, what else? Moving averages, support and demand, support and resistance. Like there's a lot of strategy, and if you were trading long enough, you know that those strategies are working, but it depends on your emotion, it depends on your style, on how you trade. So the one I'm showing you right now, it doesn't work on Asia. It doesn't work on Asia that much. So this is the first time that I use this strategy on Asia. Tomorrow I'll be trading. If you want to, I'll be trading on New York session using this strategy. 9:30 a.m. I'm happy to do live tomorrow and to show it to you. Mm, okay. What can you tell me what are those what is those strategy that you're talking about? Send me the video and we'll watch it. It's on YouTube. Okay, we'll check it. Thank you so much. Come on. Yeah, my because I'm babysitting actually. So you see, he told me to buy earlier. You buy, but the price is still on the range of my entry earlier. It's on the fair value gap still. I'm like 70% or 60% sure that this market will not go beyond 20,000, 21,000, because yeah, will not go beyond this zone, and this is a psychological zone. And if you know about psychological zone, you understand what I'm talking about. But tomorrow, I'm expecting that the market will try to hit this area, 20,872, and maybe try to grab this psychological level here. Yep, the 20,800. Yeah. So since we are dealing with the, like, this is a basically this is a stock market, because this is a indices, the group of stock market. So that's why I'm using psychological level. And psychological level been there. People are using this, like a good trader using this. Warren Buffett using psychological level. Big big market, big money using psychological level. Uh, I don't see any long here. I just don't know. Uh, Maybe this is, I don't see any long here. And tonight the price will consolidate on this level. This is a Asia. I will consolidate on this level. I'm not 100% sure, but this is my analysis based on my market structure analysis, and based on the uh, market price action. This is our range right now, and it start that was start it started here on this. This is not a liquidity. I thought it was a liquidity. Started here on this market shift. That market shift. So this is our zone until we'll see until London session, because London session is 3 a.m. and London session will try to, maybe some people try to move the market. Come on, come on. You're funny, man. Did you replay my video just earlier? Just replay this live, and you will see. I hit like 1,400 within within 20 minutes, or within less than 30 minutes. Just replay the video, and then just replay this live, and you will see. I mean, if you're following earlier, maybe you gain. I gained 1,200 on gold, and a 300, almost 400 on Nasdaq. And because I was earlier, I was negative 1,700, I think. So I hit this one here. This where I don't need to follow your. I don't know. I don't know how long you're trading. You're funny. Let's see the gold. Let's see. Maybe we. I'm negative 589 because I lost last Friday. For by test, I lost last Friday for testing this strategy. And this trading view is just for my live, YouTube live. Uh, told you I was on negative 1,700 earlier. I want that like 2,200 something, and then I have I have like a profit of 1,400. That's why I'm, and then I enter earlier and then lost. That's that's so funny, man. I mean, I don't know. It's- Well, yeah, I don't mind. I don't mind entertaining Jason. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing the live is one of the reason is to entertain traders. Yeah, but forcing someone to follow their strategies, it's funny. Mine here, I'm not forcing anyone to follow my strategy. I'm just showing you. Maybe it will help you. But I think the most important in trading, it's not about the strategy. It's about the discipline. So the course that I'm putting in is more on discipline. Maybe the strategy is not the best part of it, but once you know, I'll be teaching the discipline also. I think that's the big part. Uh, so tomorrow morning I'll be trading and let's have an analysis for tomorrow. Let's see. I'll show it to you. What is my insight? Let me see. Oh, okay. Sorry guys. It's low back. Can you go to ate and borrow her? Sorry, sorry. My kid is throwing tantrum. Uh, yeah, so this is my analysis for this market and then until tomorrow. So in 15 minutes time frame right now. Of course, this is just my prediction. It's not really sure 100%. But tomorrow, if the price, if the market, if Nasdaq will stay on this level, this is, it will stay on this level. Uh, okay. If we were to stay on this level, like on this zone, 21,000, on the zone of 21,000, I think like 20,000. If the price will stay consolidate in here and then until 9:30 tomorrow, and if I will see a break to this to this I mean if I don't see a break to this equilibrium and the price will just consolidate here until here, I'm expecting to sell tomorrow. We'll see. Once the market will open, because my guess is the market will consolidate on this level, on this zone, and then we'll see some market structure formation. We will analyze tomorrow by 9:30, from 9 o'clock to 9:30. We will analyze the market, and we will see, based on the price action, the strategy, and the market structure, we will see if we will buy or we will sell. But right now, my bias for tomorrow will be a sell out to take 20,800. Why I'm telling this one? Why? Because for the past for the past 2 weeks, this is our level. We are just consolidating the on this level. Like for the past, actually for the past month, I see how the markets keep on coming back to 20,800. It's keep on coming back. So this will be my level for tomorrow and my target for this week. So, uh, but it depends. Of course, this is 15 minutes time frame. That's my bias. And then tomorrow we will see at around 9 o'clock to 9:30. We'll analyze the market, and you see this this what will help you, and I will soon tell you what is this strategy, what is this indicator. So this is a super trend. You already know that, and this one here, I will not share it to you right now. And then I will show it to you my trade last week to tell you, just to tell you, I don't know. I'll show it to you my trade last week that gave me like last week I earned 12,000 last week on my Ninja Trader account using this strategy. And then let me show you. Let's backtest the the market from the last week. Okay, I'll show it to you. Uh, let's backtest the market, last week market. Where's I'll show it to you how on point is this strategy. This strategy. 1 week. See, week. Let's go to 1 minute. So I use this strategy only during New York session. I'll show it to you. Hold on. Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Uh, oh, what happened? Uh, let's go back to Monday. Let's go back to Monday. Okay, this is last Monday. What happened? I lost my indicator. That's the strategy. You saw it. So, so this is last Monday. Okay, look at this strat. How on points. I'll tell you where, when to buy and when to sell. Okay, this is how you use this strategy. Okay, right there. So when you see that the price and that the price is under this orange line and the super trend reverse, that will tell you to sell. But you need not only that, like you will not sell unless you have the confluence, and that the confluence, the most reliable confluence is the market structure. So the market structure, as you can see, we have a formation of fair value gap here for the bearish fair value gap, and then we have market structured shift, and then we have liquidity grab. And not only that, it's 9:30. Okay. Now, yeah, it's about 9:30, something like that. You see, that's how you do it. So it's so your analysis will start at 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and then your entry will start at 9:20, 9:20. So if you see any setup between 9:20 to 9:30, that gives you a setup plus analysis. So go to 15 minutes first. On 15 minutes, you earn the premium, meaning you're not looking to buy, you're looking to sell. At the same time, this is the highest, like for this week, this is you hit the psychological level zone at 21,000. You're in 21,000 psychological zone, which is a strong zone for the past month, meaning I'm not confident to buy the market by this time. So since you're just scalping, and so you will expect like a downside movement. So you will sell because the price action or the market structure tells you to sell. Number one, you have a liquidity grab, you have a market structure shift, and the formation of fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, right? So there are two entry model that you can apply once the super trend suites and the price is just still near to this orange. You can put an entry, one entry, put your stop loss above the fair value gap, and then second entry, if you want to add entry, is if the price will retest this fair value gap, and you will and then the next candle uh, will the candle shows that the fair value gap rejected the price, and then enter the market, and then your target will be here on this discount zone. uh, Actually target the psychological level, the 20,950, and then you will not get wrong, you see. And then once you see that big movement, you move your stop loss, and you can escalate more, find the next, escalate your take profit, find the next psychological level, which is 20,900. That's how you apply this strategy. So yeah, so you hit your loss, but you win. But uh, if you want to escalate, that's what you do. Escalate to that level. The next level is 20,000, 20,900. Or the standard rules that applies, the 1 is to 2. Show it to you. The 1 is to 2. You can do that. But I don't do 1 is to 2. I'm always chasing for a big move. So I'm looking for like a big trend. Right. Now, like for example, you move your stop loss, you hit, like you are out, but profitable out, profitable out. Again, observe the market, and here again, you'll have another entry. You already hit the discount zone of the previous market. So meaning uh, there are like a liquidity grab already on this level. So by this time you're looking to buy, and your indicator tell you to enter the market. So enter the market. Put your stop loss below the below this line here, below this moving average, and put your where's your next psychological level. So I'll say maybe 20,000, 20,050, or 20,100. It depends. Yeah, let's say 20,100. You see. Some, so 1 is to 2. If you want to make sure that you, oh, 1 is to 2. Yeah, take 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 is not bad. Yeah, that's your take profit there, right? So that's how you apply this strategy. But last Monday was not a good market. It was a volatile consolidation. You see, a volatile consolidation. Yeah, but you will manage to have just a win if you follow that. But last Thursday was a good one. It was a small volatility with a trend market. Uh, yeah, so I don't trade. Oh, let me see. I don't trade except 9:30 a.m. onwards using this strategy. Next one, last Thursday. I think last Thursday or I think no Tuesday or Thursday, where I have my but I earned 10,000 last week, and one of my friend earned I think to 34,000 using this strategy that I showed to him. Okay, 9:30. Okay, there. You sell. Put your stop loss over there. 300. Find the next psychological level. Let's see. Uh, I love this 9,000, 20,900. Or let's see, 100 points, 20,800. Yeah. So by here, once you have that, put your stop loss there. So the reason why we're putting stop loss there for the first move is just to protect your, maybe this is a manipulation. And then once you stop, wait for the signal, you stop. Okay, there, wait for the signal, buy, buy, put your stop loss there, and this buy on the, buy, yes, buy there, put your stop loss here. That's a lot, use micro, 20,000, 20,100 again. Let's see, I think this, yeah, I think this is the one. And then once they switch, exit, so just exit there. I forgot where's the trade that I made. I think this is the consolidation day. Yeah, this is not the day. Yeah, this is a consolidation day. I think I lost here. That was Thursday or Wednesday. But anyway, that's how you use this strategy. I will try tomorrow live. I don't know. Uh, so now I'm not I'm still using the previous strategy. I'm testing this strategy. It's not yet complete actually. That's why I'm not yet confident of this strategy. There's another, but the one I'm using, the if you follow that the moving average, the one that's my main strategy. I'm still using that. I'm still using that. This one I'm testing this one. I'm just showing it to you right now. I'm still back testing this strategy. This is super trend and volume weighted moving average. Oh, that's why my so that's why I lost earlier. It's supposed to be 50. Ah, so weighted moving average, volume weighted moving average and super trend. I'm testing this one and I think it's better than the one I used earlier before, my main, but I'm still testing it. Okay, uh, it's not yet that reliable. It's not that reliable. So that's the indicator. All right, tomorrow morning, if you have time, join me. I will trade mm, my Express account. Okay, let's do it. This is my Express account, and I'm on negative 589 right now. Actually, I was negative. Let me see. Account summary. So, where's my? I was negative. I think 1,000. I went 1,600, and then I was able to, almost break it even. So now 589, uh, and this is an Express account. Once I hit Once I hit 1,000 loss. Oh, I think once I hit 1,000, 2,000, this will be liquidated. So right now I'm positive 442. So I only have 1,442 to play this account, and I'll be liquidated. But I'm trading big, like one mini. So meaning I only if I lost like four times, then this account will be liquidated. So I will use this account to test these strategies, and I'm doing that tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Uh, Join me and let's see if this strategy works better than the one I have before. Okay. The name of indicator that I'm using is Super Trend Factor 14 and Volume Weighted Moving Average 50. So why volume weighted moving average 50? It seems like a combination of moving average 21, moving average 9, and moving average 50 with the additional with the addition of the volume. So I think this is better than the one I used before, but I'm not really sure yet. But tomorrow morning 9:30, join me and we'll see. Thank you so much. I hope uh, my friend Jason will join and he can teach us more or he can give us more signal. Thank you for watching. I don't know. I cannot talk properly actually. I'm I'm just tired. But watch my previous videos and I posted some live videos using this strategy. Uh, all right. Thank you.